In this video, I'm going to show you how to get paid early with Monzo. Yes, it's actually possible, and it's one of the cool features they offer to help you manage your money better. Monzo has something called early payday, which can give you access to your salary up to 2 days earlier than your scheduled pay date. As long as your employer uses certain payroll providers like HMRC real-time information, RTI. So how do you check if you're eligible? Open the Monzo app, tap on the Home tab, then scroll down to the Your Income section. If you see a banner that says Get Paid Early or Early Payday, that means Monzo has detected your salary and you might be able to get it early. Just tap on it, and it'll tell you if your payment is eligible and how much you could get and when. If you qualify, the money will automatically appear in your account. No action needed. It's completely free and safe, and it's a great way to get a little financial head start. Keep in mind, though, not everyone will see this option. It depends on your employer and payroll provider. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks with Monzo and other banking apps. See you next time.